Welcome friends, it's Miss Gisa. Today we're going to work on constructive triangles, box 3. If you haven't already worked on box 1 and 2, please do those before you start constructive triangles box 3 with me today. And if you haven't done them in a while, please review them before doing this lesson with me. Constructive triangle box 3, just like the other constructive triangle boxes, are used to help children see that all plane geometric figures can be constructed from triangles. Box 3 specifically teaches children that equilateral triangles can be subdivided into other types of triangles. Let's get started. Okay, so first, you're going to take out all the pieces. Now, you have these pieces in your activity packet for this week. That's our control. We're going to use that to check our shapes. I like to put them in different parts of the mat or table. Mix them up. Now, let's check to see if they match. We're making triangles. Yes. Is that a match? Let's check. Yes. Is that a match? Let's check. So we've made 3 triangles out of different sized, smaller triangles. Don't forget to send me a picture of your constructive triangle box 3 shapes. Thank you for joining me today. Remember to like and subscribe to support our channel.